Introducing the DJI Neo, a tiny titan takes flight. Yo, what's up everybody, it's your boy, Casey Neistat, and today we're diving deep into the world of drones with the DJI Neo. This little guy is a game changer. It packs serious punch in a small package. It fits in your hand but is loaded with features. First impressions? Sleek and high-tech. Let's talk about what it can do. 4K video, intelligent flight modes, and easy control. Capture epic shots and share your vision. Ready to take flight whenever inspiration strikes. Taking off from the palm of your hand, let's talk about one of the coolest features of the DJI Neo Palm takeoff and landing. I'm all about that seamless, user-friendly experience, and this drone nails it. Imagine this. You're out hiking, you find the perfect spot for an epic shot, and boom, you want your drone in the air ASAP. With the Neo, you don't need a wide-open space or a fancy launch pad. Just hold it in your open hand, give it a quick spin of the propellers, and watch as it gracefully lifts off and hovers, waiting for your command. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie. Landing is just as easy. Simply hold your hand out, wait for the drone to recognize it, and it'll gently descend and land right in your palm. No awkward landings, no searching for a flat surface, just pure convenience. This feature is a game changer, especially for beginners who might be a little intimidated by the thought of taking off and landing. It gives you that extra level of confidence and control, allowing you to focus on getting the perfect shot. And for experienced pilots, well, it's just plain cool. AI subject tracking. Never lose sight of the action. One of the things that sets the DJI Neo apart is its intelligent flight modes. And let me tell you, these aren't your average gimmicks. We're talking about next-level stuff like AI subject tracking that elevates your footage from good to whoa, how'd they do that? Imagine this, you're filming a mountain bike race, and you want to keep the lead rider in the frame, no matter how fast or erratically they move. With the Neo, you don't need a dedicated camera operator chasing them down. Just select the rider using the DJI Fly app, and the drone takes over, autonomously tracking their every move. The AI is smart enough to recognize and follow your subject, even if they move behind obstacles or change direction suddenly. It's like having your own personal camera crew, always keeping the action in focus. This frees you up to focus on other aspects of filmmaking, like composing the perfect shot or capturing the surrounding scenery. Whether you're filming extreme sports, wildlife, or just your friends hanging out, AI subject tracking opens up a world of creative possibilities. It's one of those features that makes you wonder how you ever lived without it. Okay, let's talk about another feature that'll make you feel like a Hollywood director. Quick shots. These are pre-programmed flight maneuvers that add that cinematic flair to your footage without needing any prior piloting experience. Want to capture a dramatic reveal shot of a stunning landscape? Select the rocket quick shot, and the Neo will ascend vertically, revealing the scenery below. Or how about a droney shot, where the drone flies backward and upward, keeping you in the frame as the background expands behind you. With just a few taps on the DJI Fly app, you can choose from a variety of quick shots, each designed to create a specific cinematic effect. It's like having a whole library of professional camera moves at your fingertips, ready to elevate your footage to the next level. The best part? Quick shots are incredibly easy to use. You don't need to be a drone expert to pull off these complex maneuvers. The drone does all the work for you, leaving you free to focus on framing your shot and capturing the moment. When it comes to controlling the DJI Neo, you've got options, and that's something I always appreciate. Whether you prefer the tactile feedback of a physical controller, or the convenience of your smartphone, the Neo has you covered. For the ultimate control and responsiveness, you can connect the dedicated DJI RCN1 remote controller. This compact controller features intuitive joysticks, dedicated buttons for frequently used functions, and a built-in screen that provides a clear view of your live video feed. But if you're all about that minimalist setup, you can ditch the controller altogether and fly the Neo using just your smartphone and the DJI Fly app. The app gives you full control over the drone's movements, camera settings, and intelligent flight modes, all from the palm of your hand. This flexibility is a game changer, allowing you to choose the control method that best suits your shooting style and preferences. Whether you're a seasoned pro who demands the precision of a dedicated controller, or a casual user who values simplicity and portability, the Neo adapts to your needs. Now let's talk about the heart of any good drone, the camera. And let me tell you, the DJI Neo doesn't disappoint. This little guy packs a punch with its ability to capture stunning 4K ultra-stabilized video at 30 frames per second. We're talking about footage that's so smooth it feels like it's gliding through the air. The Neo's 3-axis gimbal works tirelessly to cancel out any unwanted vibrations or movements, resulting in buttery smooth footage that's perfect for everything from cinematic shots to fast-paced action sequences. But it's not just about smoothness. The Neo's camera also captures a surprising amount of detail and dynamic range thanks to its half-inch CMOS sensor. This means you can expect vibrant colors, crisp details, and impressive low-light performance, allowing you to capture stunning footage in a variety of lighting conditions. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or just someone who wants to capture their adventures in breathtaking quality, the DJI Neo's camera delivers. It's the perfect combination of performance, portability, and ease of use, making it a joy to shoot with. One of the things I love most about the DJI Neo is its versatility. This isn't just a drone for professionals or tech enthusiasts, it's a drone for everyone. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned pro, the Neo has something to offer. For beginners, the Neo's intuitive controls, intelligent flight modes, and safety features make it incredibly easy to pick up and fly. You don't need any prior drone experience to capture stunning aerial footage. The drone does most of the work for you, allowing you to focus on framing your shots and enjoying the experience. But don't let its user-friendliness fool you. The Neo is also packed with features that will satisfy even the most demanding professionals. Its 4K ultra-stabilized video, advanced camera settings, and multiple control options give you the flexibility and control you need to capture professional quality footage. The DJI Neo is a testament to how far drone technology has come. It's a drone that's both powerful and accessible, making it the perfect tool for anyone who wants to experience the thrill of flight and capture the world from a whole new perspective. So what are you waiting for? Get out there, explore, and let the DJI Neo take your creativity to new heights.